Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Dreft Gift Set is probably one of the most sought after and practical presents for new parents, offering a thoughtful collection of essential baby care items designed to make those early days a little easier. This carefully curated set aims to provide everything a family needs to keep their little one clean, comfortable, and smelling fresh, from gentle laundry detergents to soft, absorbent washcloths, all bundled together in a beautiful presentation that's perfect for gifting on any occasion, be it a baby shower, a birthday, or just because. Number 5. Dreft Baby Clothes Stain Remover. Introducing Dreft's powerful stain remover, specially formulated for your baby's delicate clothes. It tackles tough messes effectively, ensuring their outfits stay pristine. Our hypoallergenic formula provides peace of mind, making it safe for even the most sensitive skin. You can trust it to clean without irritation. This advanced spray goes beyond ordinary cleaners to lift stubborn stains. It's designed to handle everything from spit up to food spills with ease. Keep your little one's clothes looking fresh on the go with our convenient travel-size stain treater pen. It's perfect for quick touch-ups anytime, anywhere. Get more value with this pack, including 2 large bottles and a handy stain pen. It ensures you're always prepared for laundry day and unexpected messes. Trust Dreft, a brand known for its gentle yet effective cleaning solutions for baby items. It's the reliable choice for keeping your baby's wardrobe spotless. What we like. This set is perfect for tackling tough baby stains. Its hypoallergenic formula is gentle on sensitive skin. If you're looking for a convenient way to keep your baby's clothes spotless, especially when on the go, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The Dreft Gift Set is a great value for new parents, offering a comprehensive collection of essential baby laundry products. This set includes Dreft Stage 1 and Stage 2 detergents, perfect for newborns and older babies respectively, ensuring gentle yet effective cleaning for delicate skin. The gift set also features Dreft's laundry scent booster beads, which leave clothes smelling fresh and clean without being overpowering. Number 4. Dreft Bottle and Dish Soap, 3 fluid ounces, pack of 2. Introducing Dreft Bottle and Dish Soap, specially made to tackle the toughest messes on your baby's feeding essentials. It effectively cleans bottles, sippy cups, and pacifiers. This powerful formula is designed to gently remove stubborn milk film and lingering odors. Ensure a fresh and clean experience every time your little one feeds. Crafted with plant-based ingredients, our soap is a gentle yet effective choice for your family. It's fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive little ones. Beyond bottles and cups, it's also perfect for cleaning breast pump parts. Maintain hygiene and peace of mind with every wash. This convenient pack includes 2 3 fluid ounces bottles, ensuring you always have this essential cleaner on hand. Keep your baby's items sparkling clean with ease. What we like. Designed specifically for baby items, this soap effectively cleans bottles and more. It's fragrance-free and plant-based, making it a safe choice for your little one. If you need a gentle yet effective cleaner for all your baby's feeding accessories, this is the one. What people say. The Dreft Gift Set includes a variety of Dreft products, such as detergent, fabric softener, and scent boosters, providing a comprehensive laundry solution. The packaging of the Dreft Gift Set is attractive and makes it a suitable option for gifting purposes. The Dreft detergent included in the set is known for its effectiveness in cleaning baby clothes and removing tough stains, while being gentle on sensitive skin. Number 3. Frida Baby Ultimate Baby Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Baby Kit, designed to cover all your newborn's essential needs. It's the perfect gift set for new parents. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for your baby's wellness, especially during those common sick days. Ensure your little one stays comfortable and happy. Say goodbye to fussy evenings. This kit features specialized tools to provide gentle gas relief for your baby. Help ease their discomfort quickly and effectively. Keep your baby looking and feeling their best with the included grooming tools. From nail care to gentle cleaning, these are designed for delicate baby skin. Teething can be tough, but this set has you covered. It includes safe and effective teething toys to soothe your baby's sore gums. Provide them with much-needed relief. Looking for a thoughtful gift for expecting parents? This 10-piece essentials set is a wonderful choice. It provides practical solutions for the first few months. What we like. This is a complete starter kit for new parents. It covers everything from sickness to grooming and teething. If you are preparing for a newborn or looking for a thoughtful gift, this all-in-one set has you covered. What people say. The Dreft Gift Set is a fantastic choice for new parents, offering a comprehensive collection of Dreft products designed to keep baby clothes soft and gentle on sensitive skin. This set includes everything a parent needs to start washing baby clothes, such as Dreft Liquid Laundry Detergent, Dreft Fabric Softener, and Dreft Blissful's In-Wash Scent Booster, ensuring a complete and convenient laundry solution. The packaging is also thoughtfully designed, making it an ideal gift for baby showers or welcoming a new arrival, presenting the products in an attractive and organized manner. Number 2. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Introducing Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray, your ultimate solution for life's little spills. This powerful spray tackles even the toughest stains with ease. As a must-have for new parents, it's designed to handle all the messes your little one can create. Keep their clothes and fabrics looking like new, effortlessly. From food and grease to coffee and more, this versatile spray works wonders on various fabrics. It's perfect for laundry, underwear, and other household items. Forget the hassle of dry cleaning. Our formula effectively removes stains without damaging your garments, saving you time and money. With a generous 16-ounce size, you'll have plenty of stain-fighting power on hand. It's the essential tool for any busy household dealing with everyday messes. This stain remover is formulated to be safe for use on a variety of fabrics. Trust it to keep your family's belongings pristine and stain-free. What we like. This stain treater is a lifesaver for messy eaters. It effectively removes food and grease from clothing and other fabrics. If you're a parent dealing with frequent spills and stains on your baby's clothes, this product offers a quick and easy solution. What people say. The Dreft Gift Set is a fantastic collection of essential baby laundry products. It includes a variety of Dreft detergents, fabric softeners, and stain removers, all specifically formulated for sensitive baby skin. The packaging is also very attractive, making it a perfect gift for new parents. Number 1. Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Baby Laundry Detergent. Introducing Dreft Stage 1, the perfect detergent for your newborn's delicate skin. It's designed to be gentle, ensuring a comfortable and safe wash for your baby's clothes. We understand that your baby's skin is extra sensitive. That's why this formula is hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, providing the utmost care. This detergent is compatible with high-efficiency, washing machines. You can trust it to work effectively, no matter your washing machine type. With 32 loads included, you'll have plenty of detergent to keep your baby's laundry fresh and clean. It's a convenient choice for busy parents. Dreft has been the trusted choice for baby laundry for years. You can rely on its gentle yet effective cleaning power for your little one. What we like. This liquid detergent is formulated for newborn sensitive skin. It provides a gentle yet effective clean for baby laundry. If you prioritize a detergent that is safe and soft for your baby's delicate skin, this is an excellent option for their everyday wear. What people say. The Dreft Gift Set is a fantastic choice for new parents, offering a complete package of essential Dreft products. It includes everything you need to start washing your baby's clothes, from detergent to fabric softener, all in convenient sizes. The products are gentle on baby's sensitive skin and leave clothes smelling fresh and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.